The debate of if you should build a house or buy one is already settled. What we need a council of elders to discuss and decide is how much a house should cost when you want to build one. For such a house, the developer or the contractor, Mr. 47 in investment, will tell you that the cost of building such a house is 15.5 million Kenya shillings because it is a 4-bedroom or a suite mansion plus 2 pangolas plus an employee quarter. And you have all this other space. 15.5 million Kenya shillings. But now I have others like you who keep commenting in the comment section. Mungai Kihara naweza jenga nyumba kama hiyo na 3 million, nichukue the other 3 million ninunue Range Rover, hiyo 3 million ingine nipeleke watoto US, na hiyo ingine niweke kwa money market kama Didi Nyoro. Yes, that is true. But what I want you to do after that is call us, African Real Estate, and we will come and review what you have made from your 3 million. And if it dares to resemble something like this in terms of quality and size, then we owe you one. And it will be on us. One thing to note is that this unit is not on sale. It has been done by 47 Investment Company for their client who owned this land. So if you are out there, you own a piece of land in Garissa, Kamuru, Nyari, or anywhere else in the 47 counties, you can call 47 Investments to give you such a unit. Today we are in Kerarapon, and for the people who don't know where Kerarapon is, it just neighbors Karen. So wewe na matajiri mko namna gani? Hivi. And for that statement only, 47 was expected to give a higher quality than what we have seen in the channel. This is the most expensive house we have reviewed from 47 Investment Company, 15.5 million Kenya shillings. But the house is also very big and very well done. I'll take you through the unit. You will notice all the differences between it and other units that you have reviewed from the same company, and you will tell me where your wallet lies. If you want this, we give you that. If you want the most affordable ones, then we give you that. From the main entrance, you'll get a metal casement double gate, and it is welcoming you to this side of the home, which is an employee quarters. On the front side of the employee quarters, you have the first garden, and this can act as the garden of your fruits or your vegetables. This is where we also have the biodigester. Right now, we are in the parking area. The owner of this unit was targeting his 5 cars. If you have more, you need a bigger land. But if you have an average of 4 to 5 cars, this plot is excellent. On my far right, you have a staircase that is taking you to the rear side of the unit where you have the laundry room. This staircase is taking you to the main entrance, and as you can see, the unit is getting a very beautiful entrance porch. On my far left, you have the front yard, and this is where you're supposed to do your main garden, your greenery space for the kids, or maybe you can do a bit of fruits or do something that would complement this level of greenery. Walk with me. As enticing as the entrance porch is, you are welcomed by a double mahogany door. It has been done very well. The quality is nice, and it also smells very nice. I wish you are here with me. Usikie venye kananukia. I have always loved mahogany. Yeah. The main door is welcoming you to the living room, and it has been done very well. I like it that it comes with big windows for enough natural light. The ceiling heights are very well done. The lights for the night light have been done very well, and you have a chimney on my right hand side. I know this is a turn off to many people kwa sababu all of us are environmental friendly, and this was a choice of the owner of the unit. Na kwa kimila yetu tunasema mundu akagirwo na miti iria atuite, and kwa Sheng tunasema kila nyani na njaro zake. So if you want that, we give you that. The living room may not look as big as you would expect, but this owner wanted a different concept. He likes a lot of hosting, and he also enjoys the outdoor-indoor environment. So he was targeting that some members of the family would be enjoying the inside of the living room, while others are sitting outside to enjoy the good ambience of this locality. Come, let me show you the outside space. The space has been done very well, and it is very airy. I would actually prefer to sit out here than in the house. This is very calm, and if you enjoy meditating or reading a book, this would be the excellent space for you to spend your mornings. As I mentioned earlier, mwenye nyumba ni mtu anapenda wageni, anapenda hosting. This dining area has been designed to fit a 10-seater all the way to a 12-seater dining set. So when you have the extended family or friends of friends, they would easily fit in this dining area and enjoy an excellent meal. As you can see, the dining area is coming with 3 big windows just to make sure that you're also enjoying that indoor-outdoor environment. The home is adopting a semi-open plan method where the living room is opening to the dining area through these 2 accesses, and the dining area is opening to the kitchen on this side. There is a different concept, as I mentioned, because you see the dining area is also coming with some cabinetry and an extra space for a dining room refrigerator. Let's see the kitchen. I like the blend of dark granite countertops and the white cabinetry. This kitchen was supposed to come fully fitted, but the owner has a special oven which they use, so they wanted this space for their special oven. You are also getting a hood as standard and a lot of storage for all your kitchenware, crockery and cutlery. Next to the window, you have the sink area, which comes with a place for you to wash your utensils, a place for you to rinse them, and a place for you to dry them. The pantry comes with numerous compartments, and you have an extra space in this pantry for the main refrigerator. If you thought the main kitchen is small, you have an outside kitchen, and this is where you do traditional cooking. Wakati unataka kupika matoke ama mihogo, hapa ndio unapikia. It is an outside kitchen covered very well, so if you want to do some industrial cooking ama kupika kwingi, hapa ndio unafanya hiyo mambo yote. You can also install a dishwasher or anything that you would want to install in this outside kitchen. This door is opening to the laundry area or the laundry room of this home, and that's where you can keep your washer and dryer. On the rear side of the kitchen, you have the main tank of this home, and it is 10,000 liters big. This is not the only tank that you get. On the roof deck, you have another 3,000 liter water tanks, which comes as standard from 47 investments. We proceed. Right now, we are at the center of the first level, and next to me, you have the common washroom, which is utilizing the space under the staircase. The staircase is supposed to take you to the upper level where you have the other 3 bedrooms, and this is the first bedroom, which is targeting your guests. The bedroom is the smallest in this unit, but it is big enough to fit a king-size bed. The closet is here, not the biggest for a standard room, but bigger than what you need in a guest bedroom. Ni mgani anakuja na nguo inajaa hapa? Si huyo ni mtu amehama? Anyway, let's continue. All the bathrooms in this unit are of a standard size and actually bigger than what we normally showcase. You get a WC at the center, a shower cubicle which comes with a proper door, and on my far right you get a wash basin that comes with a very beautiful mirror. This bedroom also gets a very good access to outside. For those who want to build their homes through 47 investment, as you're purchasing land, make sure you get a pre-purchase inspection through us. Tutaki kukuchengea kwa shamba uliokoniwa ama kwa shamba ya wenyewe. ama kwa shamba yenye iko na kesi. So always consult us before you do a commitment. The first bedroom on this level is just a replica to the guest bedroom that is below it. You are getting a standard closet which is 1.8 meters floor to ceiling, and the partitionings have been done very well. Where the developer or Mr. 47 has given you spaces for the hangable clothes, 2 drawers down there, and you get a space for the foldable clothes. The window is wall to wall, just to make sure that you are getting enough natural light. That's why you see the bulbs are off. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the guest bedroom. Between the 2 kids' bedrooms, you have the primary bedroom, and this becomes very important, especially to the people who get twins. Umeweka kamoja ipande, kengine ile pande, lakini unaweza sikia tuote tuwili. Make sense? Of course not. This is the primary bedroom, done excellently. I like the space because you would easily do a 6x6 bed over here and get a small sitting area where you can sit and discuss business with your partner. The window is massive, wall to wall. That is not the only window that you get. You have some other 2 windows over this side and a transparent door. Let's see the balcony. Utamu ya Karen ndio hii sasa. Some good green spaces, very cozy and cool environment, and good neighbors who do not disturb. You should purchase a plot here. But make sure you do that through us. We are in the primary balcony, and this is where you'll be enjoying the coolness and the freshness of the air in this locality. As you can see, that is the entrance porch of the main unit. Na unaona 47 amefanya kazi mzuri, si ndio? Haya, we proceed. The primary bedroom was supposed to enjoy a walk-in closet, but this size of the closet is what you get as standard from 47 investment. If you want a bigger one, si unajua unafanya nini? Unaongeza pesa. This client had another option, of which you will only see that if you decide to come and see this house in person. The primary bathroom is the biggest, and it comes with a very well done shower cubicle. This will be big enough for you and your partner. I like it. You are getting a towel holder. At the center you get a WC, and on my far left you get a tissue holder and a wash basin. Right now we are in the 3rd bedroom on this level, and this one is targeting your other children which are slightly bigger ama matini. Hapa ndio wanafaa wana relax karibu na wazazi, kwa sababu ni watu wanafaa kuchungwa. On my left hand side you have the closet, big enough for teenager clothes. The window is big and it is giving you the nicest view of the front yard, and your bathroom is on my far front where Mr. Sante is. You will see that. The bathroom is here adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we saw. The only difference is that this bathroom is slightly just a tiny bit smaller. From the 2nd level where we have the bedrooms, we come to the 3rd level, which has been termed as the entertainment area. The owner of this unit insisted to 47 investment that this room must be there, and it is an outside kitchen. If you want to do barbecue, if you have friends hapa kwa rooftop, this is where unachoma mbuzi yako, or you can do some good cookout with your friends. As you can see, it is coming with a sink. The owner is targeting to add a cooking area and many other things that you may require in such a section. For the guests present, you included, this is where you'll be relaxing if you do not want to get direct sunlight. An outside pergola, and the bathroom is just on my right hand side. If shade is not your cup of tea, you can enjoy the open roof deck area. This is where you can interact with the birds. As you can hear them, they are chirping right now, or you can enjoy this green environment of Kerarapon. And if that is not enough, you can always get a view of Karen on that other side. That's all for the video. If you're interested in building such a home for yourself or your family, always call us in the number that will be attached down here or in the comment section.